Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood garage where I have a must-have product to clean your compressed air. With filter options ranging from a couple bucks all the way up to a couple $100s, it can be confusing what exactly you'll need or how well you'll be protected. The Fisheye inline air filter system is perfect for any weekend warrior and home hobbyist all the way up to a seasoned pro. Simply install inline before any paint equipment, powder gun, plasma cutter, or any air tool in which you wish to protect from moisture. While this may look like an ordinary, inexpensive model in which you throw away when done, I can assure you it's much more. An advanced filter, which is easily replaceable, blocks water and other harmful contaminants all the way down to 0.85 microns, while still maintaining excellent airflow all the way up to 25 CFM. Other filters don't really give you a warning before letting contaminants through as the filter is expired. The Fisheye filter, on the other hand, will reduce airflow once saturated, indicating to you the time has come to change the filter. No more worrying about botched paint or powder jobs caused by accidentally getting moisture in the finish. I always keep a filter or two on hand for quick swaps mid-job. I can assure you when it comes to protecting your paint, powder, or tool with clean, dry air, the Fisheye filter will fit the bill perfectly. For more information about purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.